Hi, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to part 3 of how does the YouTube algorithm work. In part 2, I started going over 13 tips that I have learned that help grow my YouTube channel, and I'm going to share them with you. So we're going to recap them and continue on. Tip 1, use accurate keywords in your title to optimize for search. 2, make the most of your descriptions. Keep the first few lines intriguing and accurate while paying attention to relevant words. 3, work backwards from search traffic to adjust your keywords. 4, work backwards from your source traffic to create new videos. If people are finding you through keywords that you aren't addressing in your video, consider whether that's an angle you can use for your next video. 5, transcribe your video. Sound off viewing is very common, especially on mobile, so keep them viewers watching by including subtitles. 6, translate your video. Your potential audience includes people who don't speak the same language as you. 7, create custom thumbnails. Besides your title, the image you select to represent your video makes the biggest difference to someone looking for a video to watch. 8, convince your viewers they should watch the whole video. If you're experiencing drop-off, experiment with different tactics to add value to the end of your video, like placing cards at predicted drop-off points to direct viewers to other videos. 9, don't trail off to the end. Use cards, watermarks, and end screens to direct viewers' next moves. These are all clickable links that appear in your video. Use them to point your channel to your next video. 10, convince your viewers to subscribe to your channel. Your subscriber count is more than a vanity metric. More subscribers mean more organic reach for your videos. Time your request for when they love you most. Maybe after a big laugh, a surprise, or even a twist. If subscribers opt into notifications, even better. They'll get pinged every time you post a new video. Well, that's the way it's supposed to work, but it doesn't always work that way. 11, make series, not one-offs. Now, this is changing because series, YouTube is stopping with the series. But you could do things like the way I'm doing it. You don't have to do a series. You know, you can name it as that and do it as such. Or, you know, because you want to encourage viewers to keep watching. You can also group relevant videos into a playlist that will autoplay one after another, reducing the likelihood that a user will skip or go to another creator. 12, promote on a platform. Promote your YouTube on your blog, your social media accounts, or anywhere else you're communicating with people. Myself, I use Twitter, a lot of YouTube.